Recent research suggests that ocean acidification may be damaging shark teeth. Sharks have an incredible dental system. On average, they carry 15 rows of teeth, with anywhere between 50 and 300 teeth in their mouth at a time. They're constantly growing new ones, and for a good reason. A shark can lose several teeth every week, but when one falls out, another moves forward to replace it within just a day. The shape of those teeth depends on their diet. Some are dense and flat for crushing, others are needle-like for gripping slippery prey, and many species have sharp triangular teeth for tearing flesh. Basking sharks and whale sharks, however, have tiny non-functional teeth that may play a role in mating, since these giants are filter feeders that trap plankton instead of biting prey. What makes shark teeth so strong is their outer layer called enameloid, made mostly of fluorapatite, a mineral that resists wear and even acid. That is, until our oceans become more acidic due to ocean acidification. Ocean acidification happens as the sea absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This alters the chemistry of seawater and lowers its pH. Over the past 200 years, the average surface pH of our oceans has dropped from 8.2 to 8.1. That's a 30% increase in acidity. By the year 2300, it could drop to 7.3, making the oceans about 10 times more acidic than they are today. To see how this affects sharks, researchers placed discarded teeth from blacktip reef sharks into 2 tanks, one with today's ocean pH of 8.1 and another with the projected future level of 7.3. After 8 weeks, they compared the teeth using electron microscopy. The results were striking. Teeth in the acidic water showed significant corrosion on both the crown and the root. Unlike mammal teeth, shark roots aren't protected by gums, which makes them especially vulnerable. Damaged crowns weaken tooth strength, reducing their ability to grip and tear prey. And while the erosion created sharper serrations, that came at the cost of structural integrity, making the teeth more likely to break. And the problem doesn't stop there. Sharks are also covered in dermal denticles, tiny tooth-like scales that protect their skin and reduce drag in the water, allowing them to swim faster and more efficiently. In a separate study, live sharks kept in acidic conditions developed corroded denticles as the protective fluorapatite dissolved, leaving the skin weaker and less hydrodynamic. Taken together, these studies paint a worrying picture. Acidifying oceans could literally erode the tools sharks need to survive. Their teeth for feeding and their denticles for protection and speed. And because sharks sit at the top of the food chain, their decline could ripple throughout entire marine ecosystems, destabilizing the balance of ocean life. In short, the fate of shark teeth is more than a shark problem. It's a warning sign of just how deeply a changing ocean could cut into the natural world. Thanks for watching this Salty Sunday. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your like-minded friends.